Hello class 10 students, welcome all of you in this online class. As you all know that I am Firdaus, I'm your math teacher. So today I am going to start class 10 mathematics, okay. So today I am going to solve exercise 13.3. So in our previous classes which is taken in offline mode, I have completed exercise 13.2 and 13.1. So today I am going to solve exercise 13.3 of NCRT. Okay. So in 13.3, first question you have given, that is first question. A metallic sphere of a radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the sphere of a shape of a cylinder radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. Here what you have a given metallic sphere and it is melted, it is melted, it is melted and recast into a cylindrical shape. Okay. सो ये मेल्ट करके कन्वर्ट किया गया सिलेंडर. सो जितना इसका वेट होगा मेल्ट करने के बाद वही इसका भी वेट होगा क्योंकि सॉलिड है. सो दैट मीन्स दोनों का क्या सेम होगा, वॉल्यूम विल रिमेन सेम, दैट इज वॉल्यूम सेम होगा. तो यहाँ पे भी बच्चों हम लोग वॉल्यूम इक्वेट करते हैं. ठीक है. एट मेटेलिक स्फीयर ऑफ रेडियस 4.2 सेंटीमीटर. सो radius of metallic sphere is equal to what? 4.2 centimeter. Okay, 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Now it is now this is radius and radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder is also how much? 6 centimeter. So now height, what is the height of cylinder? Okay, what? So according to question, volume of solid cylinder is equal to the volume of solid sphere, metallic sphere. Okay. So what is the formula of volume of cylinder? The formula of volume of cylinder is pi, okay, r square and h. And what is the formula of volume of sphere? Here you have a sphere, so 4 by 3 pi r cube. So pi to pi cancel, and here you have r, that is 6 into 6 into h is equal to 4 by 3 into r means what? 4.2, 4.2 and 4.2. So now here h is equal to 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 by 3, 6 into 6, point 10, point 10, point 10. Okay. So here 6 7 ja 6 7 ja, okay, and 3 14 ja. Now again 2 2 ja 2 5 ja 2 5 ja, okay, and here also 2 5 ja and 2 7 ja. So now you have here h is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 by 5 into 5 into 5. So solve this and you will get the value of h. Okay, value of h, sorry, centimeter. Okay, सेंटीमीटर में आपका ये वैल्यू आ जाएगा. ओके. सो कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इसको सॉल्व कर लेना आप लोग को. ठीक है. कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. मेटेलिक स्फीयर ऑफ ए question number 2. Metallic spheres, 3 metallic spheres you have, 6 8 10. Okay, metallic spheres you have, that is so radius of spheres r1, I am taking first radius r1, r2 that is 8 centimeter, r3 that is 10 centimeter. Okay, so these small spheres melted are melted to form a single solid sphere. Okay, so the sum of these three volume of a sphere is equal to the volume of this bigger sphere. Okay, so now write down here 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Okay, I am taking here capital R for the radius of a bigger sphere. Okay, so take a common here, 4 by 3 pi will be common here, so r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So pi to pi cancel, 4 by 3 to 4 by 3 cancel. Okay, so now you have r1 cube. So r1 cube means what? 6 cube plus 8 cube and plus 10 cube. So here 216, 8 8 ja 64, 64 8 ja 512 plus 1000 is equal to r cube. So now you have r cube is equal to 8 2 7 1. So r cubic root, what? Cubic root 1728. Now let's prime factorize this value. 1728, 2 8 ja 2 6 ja 2 8 ja 16, 1 2 6 ja 12 and here 2 4 ja 8. Okay, so now 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. Okay, so here 6 36 ja and 6 6 ja. So now you have r how much? 2 into 2 into 2 and 6 into 6 into 6. So this is your cubic root. So group 3 3 same number. So from 3 2's 1 2 will common and from 3 6 1 6 will common. So r is equal to 12 centimeter is your required radius of a bigger sphere. Okay, so like this you can solve the question number 3. In question number 3 you have given a 20-meter deep well with a diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform that is 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So here in this question, so write down first of all. So I am going to solve question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 13.3 of NCERT class 10 mathematics. Okay, so here in question number 3 you have what? You have a one cylinder, well, which is in the form of, as you all know that cylinder is in the form of, cylinder किस form में होता है बच्चों? Cylinder is in the form of well is in the form of cylinder. So now the earth which digged out from the well, which is in the shape of cylinder, is evenly spread to make a platform which is 22 meter and 14 meter. That is, length is 22 meter and breadth is 14 meter. Okay, and here what is the radius, diameter, depression means depth, that is height is your what? 20 meter and diameter you have, 7 meter. Okay, So the earth which dug out is evenly spread to make a platform which is length is given and breadth is given. Now if you evenly spread the earth in to make a platform, okay, so your platform after spreading the earth, that is soil, the platform seems to be like this, okay, इस तरह से दिखेगा, यानी कि वो एक हाइट बन जाएगा, एक हाइट तक जब मिट्टी फिल कर देंगे तो ये हाइट बन जाएगा। सो ये आपको क्या करना है, ये आपको क्या करना है, निकालना है। दिस हाइट यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस हाइट, ओके, जो हाइट होता है मिट्टी को भरने के बाद वो आपको निकालना। दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे ये जो मिट्टी यहाँ पे लाके डाल रहा है तो दोनों का क्या इक्वल हो सकता है, जितना मिट्टी वहाँ वही मिट्टी यहाँ, दैट इज वेट इक्वल। तो वेट इक्वल मीन्स वॉल्यूम इक्वल। सो here first of all write the dimension, that is the depth of well, that is I am taking capital H, 20 meter, and diameter of well, that is D, is equal to 7 meter, okay. So now the dimension of platform that is 22 meter by 14 meter, okay. So it is length and this is breadth. So now according to question, volume of earth, that is soil, evenly spread in platform is equal to volume of earth dug out from well। जो मिट्टी हम इसमें देंगे प्लेटफॉर्म में, उसका वॉल्यूम और इसका वॉल्यूम इक्वल होगा। तो मतलब इसका वॉल्यूम निकालने का फिर क्या फॉर्मूला मेरे पास, L इंटू बी इंटू एच, एंड इसका फॉर्मूला निकालने का है क्या, पाई आर स्क्वायर कैपिटल H आई एम टेकिंग हियर। So L you have, that is 22, B you have 14, H you have to find, pi means 22 by 7, R you have what, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and H you have 20, okay. So let's find H. H is equal to 22 by 7 into 20, sorry, here 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20 by 22 into 14, okay. So 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 2 11 ja, okay, and 11 2 ja. So now 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja. So H is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5 meter. So this is how you can solve exercise 13.3. So next question we'll discuss in our next class, okay. Thank you.